Yes, sir, it's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, hit that like. If not, you already know. If you're new here, turn the post notification bell on. Hit that subscribe so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. We're going to go over the hot plays going to tomorrow, the main plays I'm looking at that could possibly give us that 1000% Friday. And not saying that as I'm going to stay the whole time if the stock go in my favor and it becomes one of those type of runners. Probably sell off at 200%, 300%, 100%. It depends on the movement of the stock and in real time price action, what I'm scanning and seeing. So anyways, the market has been insane. You guys, I told you guys it's gonna be a roller coaster on yesterday's video, and it's just telling you it was about to be crazy. The market was waiting on for the video. And I also called the video right. I said price gonna run up, down, right back up, and then fall down after earnings. And it tried to play mind games. Obviously it ran up and after hours, but today the video came down, SPY came down, Tesla came down, Meta came down, everything came down. You feel me? So it's crazy, and the market gonna be crazy too. So you definitely want to be on the lookout. Make sure you being safe. Don't see movement like this and think that you got to throw a lot of money in to try to make so much money at one time. That's how you end up losing. Name of the game is aim small, miss small. It's not that impressive to turn $10,000 to 13,000 and make 3,000, but you risk 10K if things just went left at any moment. But if you risked a few hundred and made $3,000, that's impressive because you had very minimum risk if things went left and you didn't have time to exit that position like you planned, or you let emotions get the best of you and you held too long. All that goes into effect on why it's important to aim small, because you're gonna let your emotions get the best of you whenever you got too much money on the line, break rules, blah, blah, woo. Now you stuck like Chuck. So let's go ahead and get into it though. Look at these plays, see what's going on. Shout out to the members today. I see y'all going crazy, making 5,000 a day, 3,000 a day, 2,000 a day. Y'all going stupid. All right, here, it moved quick, made some small gains, staying on the sideline. All right, here my guy, he need to work on his patience for sure, but still end up turning a loss into a win, being up $2,000 after plus getting his bread back. Schedule one-on-one, just hit me up on Instagram, follow my IG, the BHayes Show _. Hit me up for anything like that. If you want a one-on-one, anything like that, my guy. Sold $3,000 thanks to NVIDIA. Thanks, bro. 3K in a day is crazy. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you keep it safe though. Don't make that money and then try to risk more money to have a 30K day, end up losing the 3K that you just made. Be smart. Sold SPY, put $5,600, $6,000 for the day. Done. Of course, definitely be done. Ain't nothing else to do. I love that. Keep doing your thing. Be safe. Be safe though. Stocks tumble. Nasdaq closed 2% lower after stunning reversal in AI and NVIDIA stocks. Yeah, I bet it was stunning. I was saying that y'all just try to play with my mind like I was crazy or something. Y'all boys think y'all slick, boy. That's why you gotta pay attention. You gotta think outside the box. You gotta be on the psychological side of the market. You gotta get in the mind of the market. You gotta really think different from how they expect you to think. You know what I'm saying? It sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, it's deeper than rap. The tricks, the games, all that stuff, like be vigilant of it. The best thing to do is come to the market every day with a clean slate. Unless you got shares you holding long term or whatnot, for options and all that, IV being crushed. The only time you want to swing for it is when you know for sure this is an A+ setup. This thing is about to go. And you got, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, be careful. And especially in the market conditions of what we in now. The market, like, this is not normal. For it's a lot, some people may be new, blase woo, but this is a Trump effect as well. When in the market, he been called it out. The market is going to go higher and higher. It's going to keep going. And the swings that we've been experiencing. Imagine the market, the overall market, the SPY was up $12, $13 today to the upside. And then from its peak to the bottom was a $20 gap. $20. That's insane. I'm trying just to break it down to let y'all know that's crazy. But in this type of movement, I'm expecting though. I'm seeing this because the market is up like crazy. And then people be shocked if it dropped even more and think, oh, the market in a bad spot. The market is still, it can drop $20 tomorrow and still be overbought for the time period of how quick it went up. Meaning the market gonna continue to rise. America gonna continue to make money over time. You know, that's why the rich getting richer. But what I'm saying is the market is way too high. You know what I'm saying? For the period of time of how quick it rose. So going to tomorrow, I'll be watching Tesla. Tesla went below a key level today at 395. I'm watching at 395. If it hold above 395, 400 level, it could shoot back towards 420, 427 like it did today. Crazy swing with Tesla too. Up 427, 430. I bet people were chasing, buying. Oh, next thing you know, bottom out, then drop 30, $30. But I'm watching this tomorrow. If it drop below 395 on tomorrow, break that level again, 394, this thing could tank. And people will be looking crazy again. Like, ain't no way it just dropped that much and then dropping again. Yes. But yeah, we're going to look at this going to tomorrow. That 394, 395 level, below that, and the market looking shaky, this thing could drop hard. Next key level for Tesla will be down to 350 if that don't hold. To the upside, obviously, you want to see it hold above 395 and definitely back above 400, 399, 400. That's the key level as well. Above that, you could see a run. Tesla one of the ones that could run hard on a Friday or any day. So I'll also be watching Coinbase tomorrow. This one of the ones that could go crazy, give you 500, 700,000%. And to the upside, Coinbase, the main level is above 245. It could take off, go crazy. You feel me? Above 245 and holding it, the market looking good. Below 236, somebody in trouble. This thing could drop $20, $30 like, and Bitcoin coming right behind another 2, 3, 4, 5,000. So be careful. That's what we're looking for. Nobody know which way it's gonna go, but these are the key levels you're gonna be watching for. Look at the flow of the market. Look at the sentiment. Give the market a little time to give it some wiggle room. Give it some wiggle room. You ain't got to buy it immediately when the market opens. Let it figure itself out a little bit first. Let other people get caught up in the mix before you take your decision. You got your key levels for Coinbase. That's one of the ones. Tesla, one of the ones. Meta is been on the down and out for a minute now. This one of the ones. I ain't gonna give you the levels for that. We got to keep going real quick. Palantir, one of them ones. Crazy discount right now. But the thing is, the AI bubble, it could go even lower. Because I'm not necessarily saying it's a bubble, quote unquote, because AI is the future. Crypto, AI, all that is going to make people crazy rich. But I'm just saying for the short term. You just can't, it's not ethical for you to just be up 100%, 200%. No, in a short period of time, you got to come down. AMD below 200, 201, this thing could crash hard. $30, $40. Like all the stocks I'm talking about right now, these, if the market is, moving how it was today, if it does how it typically do on a Friday, these are $20, $30 moves to the downside and possibly even $15, $20 move to the upside if the market decides to be positive. Oracle is another one. If this doesn't hold up, this doesn't hold 205, 204 tomorrow, it's coming down $20, $30. SPY, the overall market, it don't hold 653. It's at 655 right now. But if it dropped below 653, 652, around that area, crash. So I definitely be on the lookout for that, guys. You already know what to do. Aim small, miss small. Feel free to join VIP. You want to join VIP? Click join on the home page. The third tier, that's going to give you access to every single play we get in and out of. The price target, where I expect it to go, and also the stop loss. Don't get too focused on the price target, more focused on the stop loss and protecting yourself. And the price target, you just want to sell into strength. As the stock is performing and doing what you expect it to do, once that train start to slow down, that's when you want to exit. You don't want the train to stop and then make a decision whether you should get off or not. When the train stops, you get your tail off. You can always get back on the train, but you can't get on the train and make the train turn back around and go from where it just came from. The train is going to keep going straight. It's never turning around. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BHayes_show_. Feel free to hit me up for a one-on-one or anything like that. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all.